Hello, ladies. This is Debbie Chronister from stampwithdeb.com, and I have had a lot of people ask me what is included in the World of Good card kit. And so that's what I'm here today to do, is to go over that so that you clearly understand what you'll be getting in that kit. Give me just a second here. I'm getting it, making sure that everything is working. And it looks like it might be, it might not be. Okay. There we go. It's working. Okay. So what I want to do is show you what's included in the kit today and let you know what you need. Okay. So it's a stamp set and a set of dies that are coming out in the new 2020 and 2021 Stampin' Up! Catalog, and they are adorable. They're very cute. They coordinate together, of course, as usual. Looking for my set here real quick and not finding them. They're over here. So I understand, we'll just leave them over there. I understand that they are a little bit pricey. Here it is, right here. It's World of Good. They are a little bit pricey. It's $48.50 for the stamp set and the dies, and it's something that you may not use again. I understand that. So I decided to do this class, and then that way you would have a taste of it. And so let me show you what comes in the class, okay? Hold on just a second. I'm going to tip you down, and we will take a look at what is included. So these are the cards. Looks like I'm a little bit close, so I'm going to move you up. Sorry, this is going to shake quite a bit. And let's come up to there and get you adjusted here, so at least you can see the cards somewhat. Okay. All right, so these are the 5 cards that are included in the kit. There will be enough for you to make 10 of them. So there'll be 2 of each card. This one you will make 2 of. This is still too close. I'm sorry, guys, but just lost you out the window, huh? There we go. That's better. That gets you up off the table. Okay. So you will make 2 of each of these. All the product will be included in your kit to make 2 of each of these cards. These globes are cut from the brass foil paper, and so that will be there. This is a ring. You will receive a package of these rings, and I believe there's 10 in a package. So you will receive a package of these gold hoops and I used them in several different places. This square rectangle here for the greeting will be there. It will not be stamped. This will be die cut. Everything will be die cut that needs to be die cut. This is embossed, and it will be embossed. Okay, so on this one, the ribbon will be there. The gilded gems will be there. When you open it up, this will even be cut. Your circle will be cut in the front. Okay, and it will be glued at the top so that you will know exactly how I cut it on there. Okay, you'll have to glue the bottom, secure the bottom of it. This is the circle from in here, so that will be there. This stand is going to be cut. This globe will be cut. This greeting will not be stamped. You will have to stamp your own greeting and then assemble it. So you will also have to cut this paper. So you will need a paper cutter. So you're going to trim that paper off. The paper will come to you as 6 by 12, and you will receive 2 sheets of 6 by 12. This will be cut. This will be embossed. The globe will be cut. The circles will all be cut. You'll put the ribbon on. Let's see what else. That one's pretty simple. Okay, this one, the papers will all be cut for you. It's a Z-fold card. This is the gold hoop again. Those will be included in your packet. This brass will be cut and the ends will be punched for you. This is one of our new punches that I just love. So this one, this will be cut, the brass will be cut here, the gold hoop you have, the brass globe will be cut. So everything will be cut for you. All the images will be cut. Now, if you want to make more of them, yes, you'll want to buy that stamp set or those dies. So in your packet, you will get 2 sheets of 6 by 12 of each of the DSP. So this one, which has 2 sides, I'm going to just flip them over here a little bit. That one. This one, which was real interesting. When I started working with this one, I wasn't sure how I was going to do it, and it comes out gorgeous. I just love that card. Okay, so this one has just a very subtle hint on the back of kind of old world. The globe, which is used on this card, and on the back of that is a beautiful green compass. That's what I would call it. This one, which was used on this card, and on the back of that. This is pretty. This is really pretty. It's Mossy Meadow, I'm sure, and it's just gorgeous. So, and then this one, which was used on this card, along with the first one that we did, that I showed you, this one. So those 2. Now you will have to cut some of these. You will have all the measurements. I will give you all the measurements, both in the video and in the PDF. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the cards. And then you will receive a package of these gold hoops. So that's what comes in it. The shipping is included in the $45 class. The $40 class means you pick it up yourself. And like I said, you'll have enough to make 10 cards. So let me know if you have any other questions. I hope this answers all those questions out there. So everything will be included for you to make those 10 cards, plus you will receive extra paper and extra hoops that we won't be using. These hoops are so fun. I know there's lots of other things that I'm going to be using them for. If you have any questions, please contact me at stampwithdeb.com or call me or email me at stampdebcn@comcast.net. Thank you very much for watching this.